Welcome to our tractor factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how built from raw steel to powerful machines ready to work on farms around the world. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing factory tours. Every engine is assembled with precision to deliver maximum power, durability, and fuel efficiency. Robotic welding ensures exceptional structural strength and long-term reliability. Hold it right there, line it up.
The operator's cabin is designed for maximum comfort, safety, and visibility. Multiple protective coatings ensure long-lasting durability in harsh working conditions. Every tractor undergoes comprehensive testing before leaving the factory.
And that's how modern tractors are built, from raw steel to powerful machines that help feed the world. Thanks for watching.